Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. Hope you're all having a great midweek so far. As the title says, I'm making creamy lemon salmon. Found a recipe online, looked good, sounded good, so I was gonna do rice, but then I remembered I had these I still got 3 balls of these Asian noodles, so let me use those instead. And yeah, let's get cooking. So I got my water here. Alright, so my skillet is in the process of heating up. Add a little olive oil. I got this salmon. This is that Costco salmon that you can buy. My parents bought it, but they like to get the skin off. Skinless, boneless. So they grabbed the wrong one. So they said, when my brother and I were last over, they said, hey, do you guys want these? And I said, heck yeah. I'll take some free salmon. So, get those out. Season these guys up. I got the king of flavor here, MSG. A little bit of sloppy mama. Got a little bit of little garlic. I sure like it. It should actually cook up really quick, because what I want to do is I'm going to cook it in the pan, but then I remove it from the pan to make the lemon cream sauce in the same pan. But once the salmon hits the skillet, I'm going to hit the broccoli. I've got steamed broccoli over here in my steamer. So I'm actually just doing a simple dinner. Asian pasta, salmon in a creamy lemon sauce. So, all right, let's get these guys in. Give this stuff a flip. I turned it already, but without flipping it. I'm not worried about what happens to the skin, because I will be honest, I do not eat skin. I'll just peel it right off. So, looks like the water's just starting to do its thing. So there's my pasta. So, salmon's cooking up nicely. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. Skin just comes right off. So I was trying to tell my parents, like, you can just pull the skin off. Nothing wrong with the salmon. Alright, what I'm going to do now, you should cook pretty quick because they're sitting on they're pretty thin, so I got some chicken stock here. Use the, deglaze the pan. But my chicken stock hasn't gone bad. That would be awful. Got a little beef broth. You gotta do what you gotta do. Should cool it down a little bit too. I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my heavy cream. about that much. And then I gotta tend to my pasta. This pasta actually cooks up really quick, so it actually looks like it might already be done. I just want to pull a little strand and taste it and see if it's done. And it is. So, while that's doing that thing, I want to cut this lemon in half because I want to get the lemon zest in there. That's why it's nice to have a microplane. And squeeze all that juice in here. Oh, come on. Okay. Of course, I want to season it a little bit, so I got some slap your mama. I got that garlic. And let me go ahead and stir this. I'm gonna put my salmon back in. Let me get the rest of the zest off of this, but I'll do that off camera because I already showed it to you. So I'll let that sauce reduce. I'm gonna go ahead and just put them both on there because I was just gonna come back for seconds, but I'm gonna save myself a trip. That sauce kind of thickened up, so I'll just make sure I get it all over the pasta. Oh man. Alrighty. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned this. This is the first time I ever made this. I just randomly, I think I looked up salmon dishes. And it popped right up. And I tasted the sauce on the spoon. It was, I'm really looking forward to this. This is gonna be good. I like salmon. Man, that cream sauce is. I'm gonna have to remember that cream sauce. I was thinking too, while I was getting ready and sitting down, I could probably use this for cod or any other kind of fish, white fish. Yeah, this is money though. Well, lemony freshness. You got that cream and seasonings. Wow. Alright, well. I'm gonna go ahead and thank you for watching. I appreciate all your views, your comments. Do we have any comments or questions about the dish? I'll try, if I remember, I'll try to link the recipe down in the description. I think I left a few things out. I think it called for parsley, but I left the parsley out because, you know, I don't use enough of it quick enough, so it's kind of like buying it's a waste. But other than that, I'm gonna enjoy this. Yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. And don't forget to check below for the end card for the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday, because other people have been contributing. Shovelhead 8 runs it. Appreciate you, Sean, brother. Catch you in the next one.